everyone. Well, today is a Sunday afternoon and it's been raining, and I just finished relaxing with a lovely old movie that I was watching after I finished lunch. On a Sunday afternoon, I love watching a lovely movie which gives me a nice feel good, and then after watching the movie I always have a 10 minutes nap. So when I woke up, my kids were like, "Mama, we want something to eat and we want something sweet. We don't want anything savory." So I have come up with a very quick recipe on a dessert called Shahi Tukda. I make it in a very, an instant Shahi Tukda. So I'll be showing you this recipe in a very casual vlog way. I will link the actual recipe which is there on my channel. I'll just leave a link in the description box as well as the comments box, so you can go and watch it over there. So right now I'll just show you what I've been doing. So now over here I've taken about 2 cups of water, and I've added about 8 cups of regular sugar and a few strands of saffron, and I have kept it for a boil for about 15 minutes on a low to medium flame. In the meantime, I've cut up some brown bread into 4, so you get these triangular slices, and I have roughly chopped up some almonds. You can also chop up some cashew nuts, some pistachios, and just keep them aside. Now, once my oil is hot, I've just deep fried the bread triangles till they're nice and golden brown. They get ready very fast, so keep an eye on them and fry them. We have done with the frying of the bread. Now if you want to go for a healthier version, you can even try just toasting the bread, so there's no deep frying involved. So you can even just toast the bread in a toaster or just on a regular pan without any kind of oil or butter, and then cut them up into slices. So that's a much healthier version. In fact, that just gave me an idea for my next recipe. Whenever I'm doing a Shahi Tukda, I'll try doing it with just plain toast rather than deep frying. So let's see where we've gone, what all is ready, and let's just assemble this lovely instant Shahi Tukda. So here I've taken this kind of deep dish which is also microwave proof. You can use any kind of bowl or tray, in which you can soak all of this. Now over here our thick sugar syrup is also ready, and I've done the string test as I showed you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to assemble this Shahi Tukda. So I'm just going to put the bread into this dish and just layer it out. Basically, we just want to drench all of these pieces with some amazing sugar syrup. Okay. So that is done. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to be pouring some of this or all of this, over here. So I've got all of that inside. And now all we have to do is just garnish it with some chopped up nuts, whatever nuts you have at home. Get all of that in there, and your Shahi Tukda is all ready to serve. You can serve it hot or you can serve it cold. So this is the amazing Shahi Tukda. I am going to be tasting one of these Shahi Tukdas because I love it. So you can see I've already had a bite. It's nice and crunchy. I don't know whether you can hear the crunch. But this is really, really amazing. So it's good. So I hope you try out this recipe. You can serve it hot, or you can just hold on a minute. So you can have it hot, like you just fry the bread pieces, keep your sugar syrup ready, and after you drain out all the excess oil on the tissue paper, you just assemble it like this and serve it hot. Or you can just refrigerate it. It tastes even better, I think, when it is refrigerated. And then just drizzle some condensed milk on top. That's optional, but that makes it a little on the heavier side and little difficult to digest. So I hope you try out this amazing Shahi Tukda recipe. I have to get a pic. And if you do, and if you like it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this recipe with family and friends. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. I generally reply to comments on the same day, or if I don't read it the same day, at least the next day. But you're definitely sure to hear from me. And I really treasure all the comments that you guys leave in the comments box below. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. And visit AKSHATAS recipes. I have loads and loads of recipes piled up on my channel. I have playlists where you can go and search for what you're looking for. So I hope you try out this recipe. We're going to enjoy it at my place. And in fact, my son Aryan loves it so much that if it remains, I even give it to him. If the dish remains, that is, if any of the slices remain, I just give it to him in the next day for his tiffin box. They remain for a day or two. So try it out. Let me know if you tried out the non-deep frying only with the toast. I'll be experimenting with that, and if it really is a success, then I will show it on my channel. And I'll end this video and end this casual recipe vlog. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.